Ditch those chemically coated pans and try this natural non-stick pan. Crafted from carefully selected high mountain clay. It's healthy, environmentally friendly, and completely non-sticky. Even with glue or corn syrup, nothing sticks. And long-term use may help improve blood sugar and blood pressure. This clay pot boasts high hardness and wear resistance, allowing you to easily fry and stir-fry foods like eggs without oil. It's tough enough to endure scrubbing with metal spatulas and steel wool. And even after 20 years, it remains undamaged. Trace elements such as calcium, magnesium, and iron are gradually released into your food during cooking, promoting better health. High mountain clay offers excellent heat conductivity and insulation, ensuring ingredients are evenly heated while preserving optimal taste and nutritional value. Whether you're frying, sautéing, stewing, boiling, or baking, this pot handles it all effortlessly and is easy to clean. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, it has no coatings, ensuring the purity and safety of your food. With this clay pot, cooking becomes simpler and healthier. Customers placing an order through this video today will enjoy a 20-year warranty and lifetime after-sales service, with any issues eligible for a refund. Additionally, purchasing now grants access to a limited-time brand discount at the lowest price ever. Available for just 1 hour. If the link is still active when you click, place your order quickly. Don't miss this opportunity.